Welcome to Bunnex Investment Group. In this video, we are going to talk on how to identify powerful continuation patterns, basically entry strategies in Forex trading. But before we do so, be sure to be part of our free signals Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. The first strategy we are going to talk about is yesterday's high or low retest. It's actually a powerful entry strategy in trading, and yesterday's high or low is a trade that follows a day of consolidation. A day of consolidation is defined as a day where the opening price is almost equal to the closing price. What we are saying is this day, let's call it Monday, and this is Tuesday. A day of consolidation is whereby the market opens at this price, maybe shoots up, shoots down, consolidates, but at the end it closes on almost equal price to the opening price. So after a day of consolidation is set, we need to mark its high. In this particular case, its high is this one, and its low depending on where the trend is going. So the trend is actually defined by the previous day or by the prior day to the day of consolidation. If we had an upward move, we are going to respect the low of this consolidation day, and if we had a downward move, we are going to respect the high of the day of consolidation. So we are saying if the trend is up on the prior day to the day of consolidation, we will be looking to get a candlestick reversal pattern at yesterday's low. Below is the illustration of this concept. In this particular case, we are saying we had this day of consolidation and actually meeting the rules of validation of a day of consolidation, where we've said the opening price is actually almost equal to the closing price. The opening price and the closing price are almost in the same line. After that, we actually look at the prior day to the day of consolidation. What was the trend? In this particular case, we had a downward trend. Therefore, we are going to be looking for shorts since it was a downward trend, and these shorts are going to come at yesterday's high in this particular case. So a pattern at yesterday's high in London session, by saying in London session, is trying to highlight that the timing is also important. Trading within sessions is much safer than trading just before session opening. So a pattern at yesterday's high was actually there to hold for a short. Another example, this was euro dollar on the 12th of January 2023. You can as well refer this on your charts to see how it occurred. We had a move to the upside. After that move to the upside, we had opening and closing almost at the same point, and on this day it was also a day of consolidation, but they actually went to retest the low of this particular day. So this was also a day of consolidation, opening and closing almost at the same line, and on this particular day they came back, made a rejection, and the market went our way. Therefore, we are actually, in this particular case, we respected the low of yesterday because we need to look for buys. The second entry strategy is actually using M's or W patterns. M or W patterns occurs on almost everywhere on the charts. The market makers are very wise and clever to actually throw this in front of us so that we can get trapped, we can get convinced to open trades. However, the most powerful point is the second level. If you have been following us, you know that we trade the institutional market maker method that involves counting of levels. In this particular case, we are saying after level 1 or after wave 1 in form of Elliott wave theory, we expect to see level 2 or wave 2. So before level 2 has been initiated, this is the most powerful point where we expect M's and W's. So to simplify this, we may just look for a 50-200 EMA cross within the first level that is on the M15 time frame. So we are saying a 250 EMA cross on the M15 time frame, then look for an M or W at the 200 EMA. That's where we can actually get these M's and W's. That will be initiation of level 2. Then enter a candlestick reversal pattern at the second leg. So on the second leg, that is where you would look for a proper confirmed candlestick reversal pattern. This particular case, we can see pound against dollar. On the 21st of February 2023, we had level 1 that was issued. After that level was issued, we could see a 5200 EMA cross on the M15 time frame, and then the market actually came and gave us this pattern before the second level. Then the last but not least is the Asia low retest entry strategy. It's actually one of the most powerful amongst the three of them. Level 1 entries, we talk of peak reversals. We are saying when we are entering level 1, we talk of peak reversals, which are basically M's or W's, multi-session M's, multi-session W's, or V bottoms or V tops, which are actually seen on the H1. Level 2, there are several entries, but one of them that we've actually mentioned is the W or M at the 200 EMA on the M15 time frame. Level 3, we are now talking of Asia low retest. We are saying within the Asian range, we are going to come back to the Asian lowest price, and then the market goes up like that. So the Asian range usually presents itself as a consolidation phase. Whenever we see a candlestick reversal pattern on the low of the Asian session, it is a point of entry. Here's an illustration of what we are talking about. We had level 1, then we had level 2. Level 1, we actually had a move to the upside. Level 2, we had this pattern. Level 3, we had consolidation. After that consolidation in the Asian range, the low, the one in yellow, the high, the one in yellow, and the market came back to reject Asia's low to give us a level 3 flow, right? After level 3, that is also when we start to look for peak entries. So basically, this is how you spot Asia's low retest entry. So it's basically a powerful candlestick, a powerful entry strategy that you can as well add to your trading. So in conclusion, I always say Forex is a system designed by smart people to transfer wealth from the impatient to the patient. Always be on the right side. Are you patient? Are you impatient to wait even for these entry strategies that we've talked about to mature in front of you? If that's the case, you are on the right side. We have a daily Zoom market analysis that goes for $50 per month, where we actually analyze prior to the market to London session opening, and we actually analyze for both sessions, London and the US, in the morning, just 1 hour before we start off our trading. On that note, we come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.